Attention passengers! In 2023, we opened our factory doors and you experienced the magic behind your most loved appliances. The overwhelming response led us to open our doors once again. Factory of Happiness 2.0 was bigger, better and more thrilling than ever before. This time, we took things to the next level. From engineers to homemakers, we brought together the pillars of our brand. Our visionary customers who won an exclusive tour through our Design Your Dream Kitchen contest, hosted on our microsite with over 1 lakh visitors, value trade partners who champion our products, and influencers for an exclusive behind-the-scenes experience at our state-of-the-art facility, where innovation meets passion. Ladies and gentlemen, fasten your seatbelts. We are landing at the Factory of Happiness.
Let's embark on this exciting journey where we take you through what goes behind into making this place the Factory of Happiness.
Imagine a home where technology makes life simpler. That's what they're creating at Voltas Beko. The innovative appliances like advanced washing machines and smart refrigerators are designed to make our everyday lives better.
What stuck my mind is the sense of pride and ownership with which the team works. They are not just creating products, they are making our house full of happiness.
We were always wondering what led to such consistency. Coming here in the plant, we could see the robust systems which the company has implemented.
We are very happy to be associated with this brand, an Indian company which is giving tough competition to the multinationals.
What I love about the Voltas Beko's plant is its focus on sustainability. It has so many things such as a sewage treatment plant which actually treats wastewater and uses it for gardening. Then it even has daylight panels on the roof so that they can minimize the usage of electricity during the daytime. And apart from that, they also generate electricity from solar panels. So making it one of the most sustainable plants that I have come across.
Here at Voltas Beko Factory of Happiness, every bit of unused item, every bit of unused waste goes back to the system and creates something magical. I think Voltas Beko is redefining sustainable manufacturing.
At Voltas Beko's Factory of Happiness, every appliance is more than just a product. It's a promise. A promise shaped by a transparency, trust, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. Proudly made in India for India. Our innovation is driven by the lives we touch every day. So, what does Factory of Happiness mean to you?
Innovation powerhouse.
Simplifiers are everyday.
Happy community. Proudly made in India for India.
Customer-centric for me.
Where innovation meets reality.
You know what makes this journey even more special? You, our employees, our trade partners, our customers. You are the true partners of everyday happiness. But this is just the beginning. We will be back with more innovation, unmatched excellence, and more reasons to trust at the Factory of Happiness.